You are a business person, coming right here because I have 3 amazing websites that will triple your revenue, or if you're just starting business, that will help you ranking your revenue immediately. So the first one is Wizard. It is an AI tool that can create a website for you in few seconds, in just a minute. All you have to do is check the website and pick a template and add your content to it and arrange it the way you like. Pick a template that is suitable with the kind of business that you do. But if you feel that another way is, if you already have a sketch of the work somewhere, you can just bring it into Wizard and it will create a nice, lovely website for you in just a click. Try this out and tell me exactly what you think of Wizard. I personally love it. Now to the second one. The second one is SEO.AI. All my content creators, copywriters, this is for you. This is simply a tool that allows your article to rank on the first page of Google. All you need to do is simply type your keyword and the AI will suggest similar content. Then, after suggesting similar content and found out how you rank, it can now recommend titles and structures that looks better, that rocks better, that ranks better with AI search. I mean, for everyone, if you're into content writing, there are so many amazing reviews here. Jump in here and see exactly what you can do here. It's actually a superpower and I love this platform. It's absolutely amazing. Just look at how it ranks there for you. The third one is Synthesia. Synthesia helps you create very engaging videos with avatar. All you have to do is just come in here and put in your content and it generates absolutely amazing video for you. As a content creator that creates both video and content writing, I love Synthesia because it can also help me repurpose my video into several other platforms that I want to create. If there's something I want to edit or remove, Synthesia is a way to go. So my business people, the professionals in here, this is the 3 top websites I have for you to 10 times your business. If you like this content, again, kindly like this video, drop a comment, share this video and subscribe to my channel for more other contents that will your business. I've already posted a place where you can find every other AI tool that you're looking for and it's really, really amazing. I will link it to this video. I hope you stay blessed and have a great life. My name remains MFONISO.